Hello student, Standard 9 English Medium, Subject Maths, Chapter number 4, Exercise 4.3, Question number 6. If the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body, express this in the form of an equation into variables and also draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as a 5 units, and also read from the graph the work done when the distance travelled by the body is 2 units and 0 units. So here let y equals to work done and F equals to constant force. Then constant force is 5 units and x equals to distance travelled. Now according to the question, the equation is y equals to 5x. Now if we put 1 by 1 value of x, then we get the value of y. So in this equation y equals to 5x, if we put value of x is 0, then y equals to also 0. If we put value of x is 1, then value of y equals to 5. If we put value of x equals to, instead of 2, 1, we put value x equals to 2, then it's become 5 2s are 10. If we put value x equals to 3, then it's 5 3s are 15. Now value of x is 4, then y equals to 20. Let A represent x equals to 2. The x-axis from A, draw AB perpendicular on the x-axis and meeting the graph at B. Now here students, on x-axis taking a distance 1 unit and on a y-axis also same like that. Afterward represent its 0 0 from here 1 5. So 1 here and 5 is on y-axis, so the point is here. Next on x-axis 2 and y-axis 10, so the point is 2 and on y-axis is 10. So passing through the graph is linear equation and its perpendicular AB on x-axis. For x equals to 0, y equals to 0 from the graph. Now next, question number 7. Yamini and Fatima, two students of a class 9 of a school, together contributed rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfy this data. You may take their contribution as rupees x and rupees y. Draw the graph of the same. Now here two students, let contribution is 100, so the equation is x plus y equals to 100. Afterward, if we take the value of x is 0, then y equals to 100. If we take the value of x equals to 10, then y equals to 90. And if we take the value of x equals to 100, so value of y equals to value of x equals to 20, then value of y equals to 80. Now its order pair 0, 100, 10, 90 and 20 to 80. It's represent on x axis and y axis. So the graph is linear equation of x plus y equals to 100. Next, question number 8. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature as measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. So here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. So F equals to 9 upon 5 Celsius plus 32. First question is, draw the graph of linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit on y-axis. Now if we draw graph, then we have taking on graph x-axis Celsius and on y-axis we have taking Fahrenheit too. And also find the values of Celsius and Fahrenheit. Now if we take the value of Celsius is 0, then the Fahrenheit F equals to 32. If we put the value of Celsius C 5, then here 5 is cut, so the value is 9 plus 32 is Fahrenheit 41. If we put the value of Celsius is 10, so here 5 2s are 10, that means 9 multi 2 and it's 32. So the Fahrenheit equals to 50. Afterward, Fahrenheit 30 degrees Celsius, corresponding Fahrenheit temperature is 86 degree Fahrenheit. So in equation number second, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, then the Fahrenheit is 86 degree Fahrenheit. How to find? See, in the equation, put the value of Celsius C 30 degree. So 5 6 are 30 and 9 6 are 54 plus 32 is 86 Fahrenheit. Afterward, in third number question, if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, then the Celsius is, if we put Fahrenheit F equals to 95, so the answer is Celsius 35 degree. Next, in question number 4, if the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And same like that, if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, then what is the temperature in Celsius? So see, in solution fourth, for 0 degree Celsius, so here we put in the equation, in place of Celsius 0, so it's become 0. Now remaining 32, it's a Fahrenheit. Afterward, if we take the value of Fahrenheit is 0, then Celsius is minus 17.8 degrees Celsius. Next, question number 5th. Is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, then find it. तो मीन्स ये जो ग्राफ है उसमें हमें ऑब्जर्व करके बताना है कि फ़ारेनहीट और सेल्सियस दोनों सेम हो रहे हैं. सो हियर वी टेक लेट एफ Fahrenheit is x and Celsius is also x. Now putting their value, Fahrenheit and Celsius is x and x. So the answer is x minus 9 upon 5x equals to 32. So the x is common in bracket. 1 minus 9 upon 5, that means 5 1 ja 5 minus 9. So it's a minus 4 upon 5 equals to 32. So the value of x equals to minus 40 degrees Celsius. So thus minus 40 degrees Celsius and minus 40 Fahrenheit are equal temperature.